For the cupola opening, since it's rough right here around the edges, I want to have a gasket. And what I've done is gone over to the home supply store, and I'm going to have right at the inside edge, the lower edge of this, a gasket. I bought both the black and the white, different widths. This is 5/16. This is a quarter. And then I also tried this backer rod, which I don't think I'm going to use, but again, I can return stuff. And then I got the stainless steel fasteners with the washer and the nuts, so that what I can do is just connect from the inside the cupola so it doesn't fly away in a big hurricane. This one that's a 1/4 inch thick comes doubled up, so I'm going to split it, and then this is going to fit that dimension there. So the white is going to be the call, not so much because of the color, but because of the size. This is the gasket with the adhesive back. It's going to be held and secured from the bottom. And I'm going to do the same thing on this side. It looks like this size gasket is the right call, because what it does is with the weight, as I push it down and I'm going to secure it from the inside, it picks up the unevenness of the shingles, which is great for the seal. And inside, before we would see a little perimeter line right at the edge with the light coming in, which was a potential leaking hazard. So now when I pull it down to secure it, it's going to be tight. It's going to be great. I'm going to drill through here just to have one of those screws. I got the stainless steel screws to hold it in place. The cupola gasket is picking up this sort of differentiation in the level of the the asphalt shingles. And what's nice inside is that then with this stainless steel bolt washer and bolt and washer on this side, it holds it down. So I pulled it so that it was snug, and then these seams no longer have the daylight, so we're going to be in good shape for the protection there from the weather.